back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gazmine, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from Shop Hush. So before we get into that, please make sure to follow all my social medias, mainly my Instagram and my Twitter. And also, don't forget to hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. So let's get on to this video. So Shop Hush is a website where they sell a whole bunch of makeup. They have makeup brands like NYX, Milani, J-Cat Beauty. They even have glitter injections, which I've been wanting to order some glitter injections for so long. I just keep on forgetting. And they also have skincare products, Korean skincare products, some makeup brushes, makeup tools. They have a lot of variety on their website for a really reasonable price. Also, you can get free shipping if you have more than $25 in your cart, which is pretty easy because a lot of the stuff on their website is pretty inexpensive, so that's also nice. What's even better is that their box that it comes in is pink, which I like a lot. So okay, so I got 6 palettes, and the brand that I got it from is called Bad Habits. And I realized that these palettes are inspired by high-end palettes. So this is the Aphrodite palette, and this is supposed to be inspired by the Huda Beauty palette. The packaging for all of these palettes are really nice, and I like it a lot. And it's also nice that these palettes that I ordered, they don't cost more than $20. Majority of these palettes didn't even cost $15. Packaging is really big to me because that lets me know that the brand is putting effort into their products, because it doesn't have to be the most dramatic or anything type of packaging. It just put a little bit effort into your product. So this is what Aphrodite looks like on the inside. At the top you have a mirror, a really big mirror, but I'm not going to show it because you're going to see all of my camera and my equipment and everything. But this is what it looks like up close. So this palette has 8 shimmery shades and 10 matte shades, which is really nice. So 3 of the shimmery shades, which are Sparks, Adore, and Love, they're are kind of, when you swatch them, the texture is kind of different from the other shimmery shades. So those 3 shades will clump up when you swatch it with your hand or with your finger, but if you swatch it with a brush or anything like that, then it's not really a problem. It kind of feels more creamier than the other shades. It could be how they mix the color to get it more pigmented. I don't know. All these shades in this palette is absolutely beautiful. So the next palette is Athena, and this one is my favorite palette. So this palette has 10 shimmery shades and 8 matte shades. 3 of the shimmery shades are iridescent colors. It is the Gleam and Epic and a little bit of Cunning. I really like the whole vibe of this palette because it's a warm tone, purple, pinkish colors. And it's really nice. And one of the shimmery shades, Darling, in this palette is a pressed glitter, which is pretty pigmented, but the glitter does get everywhere. Okay, so the next palette is the Aurora palette, and this is what it looks like. This one is so pretty, but I will have to say that looking at this packaging, I would never expect the type of colors that's in this palette. I was completely shocked. I was shooketh because you would expect neutral, pinkish, mauvish type of colors. Nope. So a lot of the colors in this palette is pretty bold, especially Energy. Oh my gosh, Energy is just a neon yellow color. They're very different, but they kind of go together oddly. So I kind of like that. I really like Ecstasy and Destiny. Those are my 2 favorite colors. And also the neutral, the brown colors, I also like too. So the next palette is the Retro Love palette, and I seen Manny MUA and Jackie Aina review this palette. They actually compared it to Anastasia's Subculture palette because this is what it's supposed to be inspired by. I don't have Subculture, but I do have Modern Renaissance, which one of the palettes that I got from Shop Hush. is inspired by modern Renaissance, which I'm about to show you guys in a little bit. I wasn't really too like pulled in with the colors from the Subculture palette. That's why I didn't really get it, and plus like all of like the controversy and like the drama. Watching these from this palette kind of makes me like the colors a little bit more, because it's like a lot of yellow and green. I don't know, it's a lot of earth tone. So the next palette is the Royals palette, and this is what it looks like. I really like this packaging a lot because it looks like those like paint swatches, you know, when they like pour the paint on the canvas and they mix it all together. That's what it kind of looks like. And this one is supposed to be inspired by Anastasia's Modern Renaissance palette, which I actually have. Okay, and I will definitely say that a lot of the colors do look very similar to the palette, especially Regal and Majestic. Like those two look extremely identical to like two of the shades in the Modern Renaissance palette. I will do a separate video on like comparing these to each other because I don't want to like elongate this video even longer. So the last palette is the Inferno palette, and this is what it looks like. It is the smallest palette out of the rest. So the Inferno palette is supposed to be, I'm guessing that it's supposed to be inspired by the Naked Heat palette. So a lot of the colors in this palette are a lot more red tone and warmer. So this is one of my favorite palettes because I can wear all these colors. So overall, I would definitely recommend to order from Shop Hush and to order from this brand Bad Habit, just because like they sell palettes that are inspired by high-end palettes, which is really nice for people that don't want to spend a lot of money on palettes like me sometimes, most of the time. So if you guys are interested in shopping at Shop Hush, I'll link their website down below. Follow me on all my social medias, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Other than that, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.